Hey guys, Sam with Art and Cabinet here, and today we're going to teach you how to use a miter saw. We're going to go over the technique, the limitations, and safety of a miter saw. If you're a beginner woodworker or you're looking into woodworking or something, this is a tool that you must have. It's awesome. It has a lot of great uses and features. You can use it for cutting face frames, baseboards, toe kicks, crown molding, all different types of uses on this guy.